What's up, guys? It's another FAMI Hours edition. Why is it called FAMI Hours? Well, because I don't fucking know, man. It's always time for FAMI. You know, it's a mushroom stock, bro. What does mushroom do? It grows, right? I don't need really go further deep into it, but look, let's get right to it. We're looking at FAMI right now. This is the Robinhood daily chart. As you see, we did open recently. Right now it's 8:48 Central. It looks like it's got a good downtrend. I mean, 1 cent. I ain't really tripping. You know, what this is moving day average. I could be wrong, but this is the way I see it. Right now, there's a fat downtrend. This is guaranteed to really keep dropping for the next minute or two. You know, these are some fat arrows. I mean, I don't know, bars, rectangles. These are fat rectangles going down. That means that there's a downtrend. So even if it does go up, the trend is heavy on down. That's a 1 day. All right. I don't really look at the 1 day unless you like day trading or something. Maybe scalpers, I think, do it. But what we want to look at is the week 1, month 1, and 3 months. I kind of only really look over here. I don't really look at this area too much because what's happening now is what's happening here. We around June, my bad. We had a bad downtrend. There was this spike up. We were hitting about like what 64 cents it says right here. Okay, you can see the price over here too. So we're seeing around 64 cents. And this was June 9th. It was recent, so it did come up from around 50 cents. So it's been doing good. As you can see, the moving day average was green overall. Blue overall. And it started a downtrend. So if you would have been looking at this and you would have seen like around 10:20 it started shifting right here, this is where you would honestly sell, because this is where you just sell. There's no reason why you would stay here. And you see this is going down, and it's still down, it's still red. You can see the line, how it goes here. The red starts to go away and you're like, oh shit, maybe I should buy here. Well, it would have been bad if you were day trading, but if you were buying some weeklies or monthlies, call options, this would have been a nice call to go in. Because even though it did get another small downtrend throughout the day, it looks like it ended somewhat positive towards the end. And right now, it is on a small positive trend, but you do see it's got a downtrend for the day. All right, for the day. So that means like yesterday, it was just good to sell if you would have bought real recent, either that same day or the day prior. But yeah, sorry, I don't like showing the 1 day because it's just very weird. But as you can see, the 1 week is more realistic. More you can see actually like in action. If you're doing like some day trading or you're trying to do weekly options. The 1 month. So you see here, there's this fat downtrend. So yes, there is a current downtrend. It looks like at one point it did reach. This is what we're watching. You know, this is above the 60 mark. It hasn't really been above the 60 mark in the past month. And so you see here, this is a good spike up, and this is a good hold. It didn't really keep going anywhere else, and it looks here like you can see the spike up. And so if you held from last month, you should be up. If you have stock, not really options at this point, but there is a current downtrend, and it's looking kind of fat, but it looks like it's about to be in the middle of it ending. So the downtrend will still happen. Do I think this will go below 50 cents at the end of the day? It can go, but it can go below 50 cents. But honestly, it could probably still go to 45. If this doesn't reverse throughout the day and it keeps going on a fat downtrend, because this next bar isn't decided yet. So if this, see, like this bar, see, it's not as down, and then this one is more down. You know, it's got a little ladder down, going down, you know, whatever, stair down, whatever. If the next one is like this one, next to this one, then that means downtrend is about to end. You want to get out. If you're day trading, again, I don't mean get out as in you sell everything. I'm just saying if you're thinking of buying, it's probably good here because it's about to go on an uptrend. It still might go on a small downtrend throughout the day, but by tomorrow, if the trend follows suit, it should come at an uptrend here soon. So where do I think FAMI is gonna end today? It's a 1.5 cent right now, up. If this downtrend happens through, if we're looking at the monthly chart, if the downtrend continues on the monthly chart, we might actually see below 50. I don't think as a close. Now after hours, it might keep on dipping strong or make a recovery. The weekly shows it is kind of trying to start a weekly downtrend, but it's not really too confirmed yet. So this honestly can bounce back up. So this gives you hope for anything, for it going up, basically. Hope for it going up. So the 3 month would be the next one, because you would look at the 1 month and the 3 month the most. The 1 week is a good indicator to see how it's gonna go throughout the current day and or throughout the week. The 1 month and the 3 month is more long term. So long term, it looks like the current uptrend is starting to go down on the 3 month. So that means, will it start to dip? If it cancels all these blue rectangles and it starts touching red, then yes, we might possibly see another 45 cent FAMI, if not below 40 cent FAMI. Do I think this will come back to 30? Honestly, it might. It has a chance. It really does. But I have more upside to it. And if it does go below 40, then I'll for sure fucking buy more. Or in general, yeah, to be honest with you guys, I didn't want to say it, but I sold. I didn't sell at the peak throughout the month, but I did sell above what I bought. So I made profit. All that matters, right? So with this current downtrend on the 3 month, but still positive wise, with this 1 month's negative downtrend and this 1 week consolidation, it's really in the middle. Now, I don't look at the 5 or 1 too much, but it's always good, fun to watch. As you can see, the 5 year shows the current downtrend. It looks like the current downtrend on the 5 year is about to end or reverse. So that actually gives you a bullish vibe right here. Now, the yearly one is somewhat of a bullish vibe too, because it's still on an uptrend, but it is dying down. So the years keeps you at a bullish, the 5 year keeps you at a bullish, the 3 month keeps you at a bullish. The 1 month is bearish, but if it does a reversal, it will turn bullish. The week one, that's actually where it's trying to decide where it wants to go right now. It really wants to decide where it wants to go right now. And let's look at the 1 day, because it's doing things. So we got that downtrend. It looks like it was heavy, but this one, if this one doesn't surpass this bar, like this red line has to pass, sorry, the blue line has to pass this red line for it to know what it's doing. So the red line dipping hard means that the blue line has less chance of the blue line means that it'll keep going down a little heavier. You want to look at the blue line. The blue line tells you more. The red line tells you more of a long distance. So right now, blue line looks like it's going down, trying to curve, and the red line looks like it's already curved. So the red line going down means it's good, because that means it's giving the blue line a chance to come back up. And once it passes up, like it does this X, but like uptrend wise, as you can see right here, this next bar, it's looking like it might do a reversal. So here, would I buy? Yes, I would buy right now. Like I would buy right now. 52.69, because it really looks like it's about to reverse. Now this can come back down, and we'll see actually what it's gonna do here for like 1 minute. We can watch this live, well, not live, but whenever you see this, you'll see what it decides to do. This bar is trying to decide what it's gonna do. Blue line trying to curve up. If it curves up good enough, we'll see an uptrend. But the downtrend is the current thing that it's doing. Like I said, we bought at what, 52.69 verbally. So we're down. So from when I told you to buy, we are down. So we are doing exactly what we want to do. Remember, this channel is about losing money. All right, we lose money in this channel. All right, if you're not here to lose money, get out. Get out right now. Okay. Anyways, again, the bar is just chilling, you know, and it looks like the blue line's actually doing a curve right here. So as you can see, that fucking triangle curve, it's gonna shoot up above that red line more than likely, and we'll see where it goes from here. But we are now in fantasy profit. Whenever I said that I would buy right now, so we're touching profit. If we still are, you know, that could easily reverse itself. But we'll come back to this. This is gonna probably be enough for FAMI hours. I will check this one more time after I'm done with the video, like towards the end, just like a quick 30-second rant. And we're gonna actually look at fuel cell. Now, fuel cell, bro. I called this out last year whenever it was at $2.50. The reason I didn't buy is because all my money was in some Toyota calls, and honestly, I was on a loss on those, and I had a hold to try to make some money back because I was really getting. Oh no, sorry, it was PayPal. The Toyota one I think might have came after. Once I was too late, but I was doing PayPal first. I was down heavy, and the only way to really recoup was to what's it called? Shit, I'm losing train of thought. And I haven't even drank yet. This is supposed to be me drunk talking, and I have the fucking Heineken over here just pulled up, doing jack shit. Before I chug this shit down, let me finish what I was gonna say on fuel cell. Again, I was watching it when it was around 2 something. So this was, you know, last year. Sorry, not last year. Well, I guess it's 2021 now. So I'm sorry. I was looking at this back in October of 2019. I can show proof, I guess, but it doesn't really matter. I can fake proof, but and plus I'd be lazy. But anyways, I called it out around when it was around 250. Again, I didn't buy because I was a little hesitant, but I also did not have the fucking money. The main issue is that I bought into PayPal, and I should have, and I had just a couple contracts, and I could have gone and gotten at least what was it? I wanted to get at least 1K easy, 1K at two. That would have been 2,500, right? That's easy. That's not that much, you know. I'm not trying to brag about money, but it really isn't that much. You know, people who lose fucking $100,000 in a week, that's a fucking lot to me. All right, so this might be a lot to somebody. So I could have put 2,500, and I had it, but I was going hard on PayPal, and that's another story. If you guys want to hear it, let me know in the comments. If you really want to know about my PayPal story, because it lost me money, made me some money, but overall, it gave me memories of stress and demise. So again, if I'm saying I was gonna buy that much at $2.50, look where it's at now. It's $10. You know, it would have been easy as profit. And honestly, I don't know if I would have held. I think I would have sold around right here. I think I would have sold as it was going down. So I would have sold at 7 right there, bro. So I would have sold fucking early as fuck, dude. Early. And if I would have held, I could have made some good bank. I fucked up. I've been fucking up, dude. Remember, this channel is about losing money. So don't you forget. We'll do a fuel cell hours. Another episode. I am investing in fuel cell right now on some options. I really do think, well, I'm betting that in the next month this shit's gonna touch $13-14. And if it doesn't, then well, I might not ever make a YouTube video about it, honestly. I still might make an opinion video. Anyways, let's look at FAMI one more time before we close it out. Back on Robinhood, we see this downtrend ending. We see this downtrend ending, so that's good. That means, yes, there is a small downtrend occurring, but it looks like it's gonna go away. Now the blue line looks like it is trying to go back down, but that could easily strafe back up. And with the red line coming back down, it's really making me think that this will probably go on an uptrend here momentarily, and then just gotta keep it heavy throughout the day for it to do anything. But yeah, let me give you my final guesstimations. As of right now, we'll go up to what? Will it touch 55? Yes. And if you honestly, if you're holding long, don't fucking sell. But if you're just scalping, if you're trying to see if you should buy or not right now, should you buy? I would say yes. Again, remember we bought at imaginary 56. No, I forgot what it was. 52.69. Sorry, no. 52.69 is what we bought imaginary. So will it close up or above that? I'm gonna go with 55 because there is uptrend. This closing below where it's at right now, it just doesn't seem possible. Now, honestly, dude, fuck it. If it doesn't happen, you know, hold stock, dude. I'm not. You gotta hold stock on this shit, dude. Will this hit $1? Yes. If you ask me, yes. When? I don't know. Hopefully by this year, right? That's what we want. And if it doesn't, then fuck it, dude. It'll be cheaper for you to buy. See, you gotta look at the positives. If it goes down, well, if you own it's bad, but if you own something, that's bad. But basically, if it goes down, don't panic. Why would you sell when something's going down? Now, if you have options, yes, I understand. But if it's stock, bro, if stock goes down, just hold it, bro. If you below 60, just hold. There's no reason to fucking sell, dude. You're not gonna use this in the next 10 years, like the money in general. You know. Anyways, where do I see this shit ending? 55. Where do I see it going next week? Staying at around 60. Honestly, it's gonna stay around an average of 5 cents up from here. If it goes down, I don't think it'll go lower than 30. I don't think it'll go any lower than 30, but I do think it might still have a chance to go below 40, and that's when I'll buy back in if I'm at a good state in money. So see you guys in the next video. When will I do it? I'm planning on it next month. I guess these weren't drunk FAMI hours, but I like the stock, even though I don't own any currently because my dumb ass sold. You know, am I tripping? No, because as long as I sold that profit, that's nothing to be negative about, right? So if there's any stocks you guys want me to check out and do like a MACD version of what I just did on this video, let me know, and if it gets good enough traction, I'll take a look at it. See you guys next time.